Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to do a pasta dish on the Blackstone griddle. So here we got some squash, some long hot peppers, some zucchini. We got a pound of diced up smoked sausage, some red onions, some tomato, asparagus. The only thing we left out is the kitchen sink, right? Here we got our chicken thighs, seasoned up with just some salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic. So we get the oil down. I think you're going to want to stick around to the end to see how this dish turns out. So just going to throw them chicken thighs down. We're going to try to get a nice crust on them real quick. If you're looking for a meal that can feed a big crowd, it's going to come together quick and it's pretty cheap. You probably have a lot of ingredients laying around. So now we're just going to hit the other side with some salt, pepper, a little bit of granulated garlic. These aren't going to take long either. So after a couple minutes, we're going to flip over. Shit's browning up real nice. We got the griddle going here, like a medium-high heat. So after another couple minutes, we're just going to move them over to the cool side over there. We're just going to let them go while we get these veggies and the sausage down. And with them long hot peppers, doesn't make the dish too spicy, but you can always leave them out. But I think it makes this dish. Let's get them veggies down. And try to keep them in the center here. We're just going to keep tossing them around so they don't burn. Here we're just coming in with some Italian seasoning. Use what you got. So while them veggies are going, we're just going to chop the chicken up into nice bite-sized pieces. We don't want the chicken to overcook, so we're just going to leave it sit off for a few minutes. Just keep moving everything around a little bit. These have only been on a few minutes here, and then we're going to come in. Here we got a bag of raviolis. I'm going to throw them down. Give them a good tossing around. And this, I mean, you could make this dish your own. Add other vegetables, take some out, whatever you want. Here we got a bag of tortellini too. We're going to throw them down. So we got everything mixed up here. I'm just coming in with a jar of vodka sauce. If your grandma's going to yell at you for not making your own sauce all day, feel free to make her recipe, but I'm just using a jar sauce here to make it quick and easy. Just come in with a little more Italian seasoning. Get that sauce mixed throughout. That pasta, it's already been cooked, so all we're trying to do is just warm everything throughout. I know all them veggies are right about where they need to be. Now we're going to come right back in with that chicken. And like I said, you can feed a whole family. If you're having people over, it's real easy to do. So now come in with a handful or so of some mozzarella cheese. We're going to let that melt down for a couple minutes. Maybe not even a couple minutes. Only thing left to do now, get it in your aluminum pan, because we don't like to do dishes. I can't wait to try this. You can see all that melted cheese everywhere. All the flavors are blended together. You know this is going to be good. So we made some garlic bread to go with it. Now the only thing left to do is try it out. There you go. Get yourself a nice big plate of it. Some of them tortellinis or raviolis with that sausage. That chicken's so tender too. Like I said, this is a cheap, easy, and quick meal. And thanks for watching.